Why you wanna let me go, nah, nah, now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know, nah, nah, now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing?
Hey everybody, what's going on? Welcome back. Happy Sunday. Hope everybody's doing well and just having an amazing weekend, and I hope you guys have an awesome week as well. We just got back from Walmart, so I'm going to show you guys what we picked up, and it's kind of a combined haul, so it's a little bit of everything and everybody. We're going to start with Miss Alicia here. She got her 3 things of this American, clear American. They got the snow punch, strawberry punch snow cone. She got one of those. Can y'all see? Yeah.
No, my joke.
Strawberry punch snow cone. She got 2 strawberries of the waters. And then she got her a thing of Stella Rosa watermelon. The butterball turkey sausage. The hardwood smoked. And then some uncured turkey bacon. That's hers. And then she got her a Devour buffalo style chicken mac and cheese. That's what she got. I picked up a seedless watermelon. I was looking for a seeded.
You got a seedless one?
They didn't have seeded. Every last one of those boxes was all seedless. And I wanted a seeded one. But I just went on and got this one here.
Something else.
And then I had needed to pick up another thing of mouthwash. I got the Tostitos, the hint of spicy queso. So I just wanted to try them. I heard they're good. We needed some more wipes, flushable wipes. And y'all know I usually get them from Sam, but hey. And I got 1 head of lettuce, some beef steak tomatoes, because we just doing burgers and fries today, and chips and stuff, and just keeping it simple. Even though it's Sunday, we normally do a full Sunday dinner. Y'all know what we got going on, so we tired. I got 2 packs of crescent rolls, because I will be making some crescent rolls and smoked sausages for breakfast. I also got a thing of cheese for the burgers, the Great Value jumbo hamburger buns, 2 packs of those. And my brother is coming by because he's watching the basketball game with Jordan. I got 1 more thing of the Smucker Goober Grape.
Ooh, that's why Jordan's in a good mood.
One of their Borden chocolate milks, the Tropicana Pina Colada, and the Tropicana Peachy Pineapple. I picked those 2 juices up. The Mambo Magic Sticks, I got 2 packs. I got these here for me, but Philip may eat some. But I bought him some of the Airhead Extremes, the bites for school to put in his lunchbox. And then I got him some of the Trolley, I think it's Trolley sour bites, the Very Berry. And is that it? Yeah, because we already had that. Oh, and I got him 2 more things of these apple juice. It'll just be for this week, because I really need to go grocery shopping. But I probably won't be able to do that until maybe Friday or Saturday. So I just got him 2 of these. He brings 1 of these a day to lunch. So it will last him until I do get a chance to go to the grocery store. And we're doing laundry as well. Y'all know, like I said, I usually don't do laundry on Sundays, but just got to do what you got to do. He still got a whole lot of water and Gatorade and stuff left. So I didn't have to worry much about that. And y'all see these 2. They just stay under my feet. Even though they play with each other, they stay under my feet at all times. And I want a break from them. Especially this one. Both of them, but this one here. So he be wanting me to take my shoes off so he can mess with my feet. So that's what he's trying to tell me. So that's all we picked up from the store. Like I said, just quick and simple. But I did want to share it with you guys. So, and a very, very quick update on Mama, because I haven't done one since the last one. She's doing well. Her vitals and everything are doing well. They was going to start today taking her off of the breathing machine. And they're not going to take her trach out yet. They was going to try to get her to sit up for a little bit. And, like I said, start a little physical therapy and occupational therapy on her. So we really wasn't going to be able to see her much, but like 3 to 5 minutes. And cases, like I said, is starting to go back up again over in Louisiana, and we want to keep as less contact as possible. Even though we go in with our PPE and everything on, it's still, you know, we want to give her a break because she was agitated yesterday, and then, you know, it'll give us just a little breather, and then we'll go back tomorrow, and hopefully maybe Tuesday or Wednesday she'll be in her room, so it'll be a little bit more comfortable, and we can, you know, just sit in there and comfort her and stuff. But, you know, right now it's hard. You want to do it the first 2 days, but that's it, because they need their rest, and the doctors and nurses need to do what they need to do. But as long as Mama doing good, I know she's in the best hands possible, God's, and then she has amazing doctors and a full support system and care team. So she got angels protecting her everywhere. And we thank you guys for y'all thoughts and prayers. Y'all love y'all give us. We still have been receiving cards in the mail and our P.O. box. So we truly appreciate that. Nothing goes unnoticed. And we are very humbled by all you guys that is praying for us in y'all videos as well, y'all YouTube videos. To all of my sisters and brothers that's out there doing that, shouting us out, Risa and everybody, you guys. Their family has been amazing and so supportive. Queen Ray, I don't want to leave anybody out. Mama Vlogs, everybody. Then, like I said, everybody who was in the comment section, sending emails, writing cards, texting, calling, and just and just stand and pray.
Yeah, chill. I hope they saw you.
And just staying in constant prayer for us. We appreciate it. So we will see you guys later. Real life, my kids, real life kids, y'all. So y'all have a blessed Sunday. Enjoy y'all Sunday. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.